All right, just got down in here. I'm with my my good buddy Eduardo, which I haven't seen for a while on the trail. What do you think, Ed? Waterfall. Whew. Came across. Nice. Oh!
Oh boy!
Crossing another creek. This one's a little sketchy.
This is the homesteader.
All right, just got to what's gonna be our camp spot here. Found this awesome down birch tree. This will provide us with some warmth all night long. Oh. What do you think, Ed? Right over there is gonna be camp spot.
Do for a good forest bath.
Right through there. Nice. Okay, here we go. Getting unpacked. Refurbish an old fire spot, old fireplace. Be perfect. Always nice having to build our own. We got awesome water access all up around us. He's got his spot set up. Got everything unloaded. Tent's back here set up. First time using it. See how it treats me. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna go collect some wood here. Get our ridge line and tarp hung up behind the fireplace. Stay nice and toasty. May 8th, working on getting a wet fire going, but it's going. It's a bit smoky. May 8th though, and we got snow accumulating on the tarp. On the tents. Pretty wild.
Don't plant your garden yet.
Wow. May 8th, huh? 2020. Almost out. Well, today was first day out of quarantine.
For a race day.
Out of lockdown.
Got some Pennsylvania ales and lagers.
Only Eddie. All right, we got a piece of wood pile here. If you can see it in the dark, it's not quite dark, but it sure looks it. Yeah, heck of a pile. Eddie's been going ham. That's Eddie's pile, and I just got a little rinky-dinky pile over here. Oh, beautiful fire going. Wood collected. Oh yeah. Doesn't get any better than this. I think I'd get them boots off, get them feet dried out. It was a wet walk in, man. It's rained for like the past 16 hours. It just let off about, well, it was a snowy rain, considering it is May. It was a snowy rain all afternoon, all morning. From about 10 o'clock till 2 o'clock. The trail was soaked. What are these?
Oysters.
Oysters. They come in a tin can like oysters. We threw them on a split log here and fried it up. Oh, it's very good. Very good. Hold on, where's that? There it is. Here, watch me eat it. It's pretty good. It's like, it's fried on the outside, the inside's still like soggy. It shouldn't sound good, but it is.
It's a dish.
So much better than eating them out of that can like that. It gotta be. Fry up the rest of these on it?
Yeah, there you go.
hand's getting hot.
Yeah, it's just a little fryer. Not hot at all.
Yeah, right.
Oh, that looks like just a big pile of goop. Deliciousness, though. Garrett and his chopstick.
Forgot my fork again. Ah. You don't want that.
Single chopstick.
Throw them in there. Oysters cooking. Is that what it is? Oysters?
Oysters.
Oysters.
Oysters off the bag.
They're good. They're straight out of a can. Frying them up.
Thrivemarket.com.
Yum. Just got up about 9 o'clock, getting out of the tent here, and well, it snowed on us. There you go. Cook up some coffee and some oatmeal. Going. Beautiful morning. Snow's still falling. Man, we got some accumulations. It's May 9th, 2020. It's the most snow I've ever seen in May. Glad we were out here for it. Tested out the 4-season tent last night. Hey, at least we got some snowfall on it, huh? I was warm. It's probably the warmest trip I've had this year so far. Had quite a few cold trips in those 3-season tents. So this one worked out great. The baffles across the bottom. That's key there. How are you, Eddie? Did you stay warm last night? Eh?
My pad slipped out from underneath me.
Oh, man.
So,
You woke up chilly a few times?
yeah.
Oh, bummer.
It was alright though.
They're cooking up some peach oatmeal and some Folgers coffee. Water's about to boil. Eddie's gonna percolate his coffee after he filters it. Alright, we just finished up cleaning up here at camp, put out the fire, and off and away. Up the big hill we go. What do you think? Looks a little different now without camp all set up. May 10th, we got icicles on the rock. Northwest Pennsylvania, huh? Pretty wild. Made it back to the car. What a trip, huh? It was a good trip, nice hike out. What was that, probably 3 miles out? Yeah. Overall, great end of the year trip. This is probably the last backpacking trip of the year. No, I said that on the last one. I didn't figure we'd have snow in May. Can't pass this up. All right, we'll check you later.